Yo, what's up, world? It's your man Slim Jim Longfoot, aka the GOAT, King of America. Welcome to day 516 of Diabetes and I, the daily vlog that I do to show you case to y'all how I combat this type 2 diabetes with the 1-2. You feel me? Yo, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe down below, hit that notification bell so you can keep up on all things Slim Jim Longfoot, such as my product reviews, my how-to videos for the small YouTubers, my TV and movie reactions I do from time to time, my reviews that I do from time to time, my video clips, my live streams, my daily vlogs that you're watching right now, and last but not least, my art video series, GOAT 1408 TV. Shout outs to the members of the live chat crew, which consists of Evie Gavala, the Greek goddess, Lady Capricorn Terra, Sexy Trees 1408, Queen Candace, KianaVision, Diamond TV, Mashana, Michael Marshall, and last but not least, my sis, the big sis of YouTube, Latanya Porter. Special consideration to my bro Johnny Quest Gaming, who co-hosts the Nerd Strip Club with me in my our podcast channel here on YouTube. Also, shout outs to the members of the 1408, which includes Lady Capricorn Terra, Kid Wonders, Life for Wonder, Gaming Mode, and a Vice with Mail. If you yourself would like to be a member of the 1408, all you gotta do is hit that join button below, check out the tier, see which one rocks with you, and boom, there you go, baby. What time is it right now? It is 1:48 right now. It's the first of the month. Get up, get up, get up. August the 1st, 2021. That is crazy. August the 1st, 2021. I can remember what I was doing 25 years ago today. Me and my parents, we had moved to the apartment complex where I stayed at when I graduated from high school. You know, good times, good times. Shout outs to all the kids that I knew in the neighborhood. Shout outs to the Green Isle kids of the 90s. You know, straight up like that. That I'm sipping on right there. I'm sipping on some hot honey lemon water. Some hot honey lemon water, which is really helping my my cough right now, because this cough is like the only thing that is bugging me right now. And that stuff is keeping it at bay too. It's doing better than that on cough syrup. So what is up with cough syrup? What do they put in cough syrup that don't help? Like the cough syrup that we got the other day, it was helping at first. Like it was like just about everything was gone except for my little cough. But this right here, every time I feel like a cough coming on, I sip some of this and it goes away. And this is just lemon juice, honey, and water. Heat it up. Maybe it's the heat going down the throat. Probably. Anywho, I got some cream of chicken. That's what I'm having for my first meal of the day. So, oh, excuse me, y'all. I'm about to go ahead and check my blood sugar for the first time. For those that don't know, if you're new here, I check my blood sugar 3 times a day before each meal. Before breakfast, before lunch, before dinner. It's my first time eating today. Yeah, man. I'm just cooling right now, y'all. Trying to make the best of this month of August. This new month that we're in. In 3 days, of course, 3 days on the 4th, I will be interviewed by Vern's Junk Closet on her channel at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, August the 4th. Yeah, I'm going to be advertising it here on the channel very soon. Probably, if not before the night is up, probably tomorrow. Also, of course, this month is my mom's and my sis' birthday month. My mom's birthday, of course, is on the 7th. My sis, the big sis, her birthday is on the 22nd. I know it's gonna be bittersweet for her because her birthday also marks, you know, the day that her husband died. Rest in peace to Bo. Ain't really, you ain't gonna do that error thing to me again. I need for you to get it right. Get it right, baby. What I need you to do. There we go. You know what I'm saying? We ain't playing no games around here. Yeah. So yeah, August is quite a month, y'all. It's quite a month. But you know what I'm saying? We're gonna make it do what it do, baby. We're gonna make it do what it do throughout this month as best as we can. Let's see. I got 2 shows that I'm gonna watch as soon as I get done with this newest episode of Power Book 3. Raising Canaan is coming on. And the season finale of The Shy, season 4 finale. Let's see. 8-2, 8-3, 8-4, 8-5, 8-6, 8-7, and 8-8. Yeah, man. It's a crazy, crazy world, y'all. So, I hope everybody doing good today. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's doing wonderful, feeling blessed. You know what I'm saying? Everything is everything. Ooh. Yeah, boy. I'm about to see how this cream of chicken tastes real quick. First, I'm gonna take another sip of this. Why did I drop down on the ground on the floor? Because y'all know I gotta do my shout out dance. See how this thing tastes. Got a piece of cough drop in my mouth too. Pretty good. A little too salty though. But it's okay though. I might eat half of it now, half of it for lunch later on. It's pretty good though. Pretty good, man. Interesting. Interesting indeed, people. Now, oh, also, y'all, fan base is now officially on Android. I just downloaded it to Android to my phone right before I started recording this. So if y'all would like to, of course, go check out fan base, definitely go do that. Yeah. Oh, that's what's up. Waka Flocka is now a certified farmer. That's what's up. That's what's up. That's what's up. I can't wait for fan base to get the dark mode, because that bright screen just I don't like bright screens no more. I need a dark mode, baby. We need a dark mode. We need a dark mode. Yeah, we need that dark mode, baby. And speaking of what else we need, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it is time for come here. It is time for the shout out, shout out, shout out. Hey, 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 shout out, shout out, shout out. Hey, hey, hey. It's time for the shout outs, baby. It's time for the shout outs, baby. Now, let's see. Shout out to everybody who been doing it up this week with the new videos. I ain't had a chance to check out everybody. Been taking it easy all week. Excuse me. Janasia S. Today is her birthday. Shout outs to Nate. Many, many more to you. Let's see. Going to, of course, we only dropped one video yesterday. That was day 515.
Google Fi, a phone plan by Google. Our privacy and security features help keep your information safe.
Yo, what's up, world? It's your man Slim Jim Longfoot, aka the GOAT, King of America.
Ooh, that was a good burp right there. Alright, in the regular comment section. Those are way back in the playback Maybach. Life's magical journey said, yeah, I do get hungry and can't decide what to eat. That happens to me often, especially after grocery shopping. I have all this food and don't have a taste for none of it. Right? Yana ASMR, first time coming through. She said, I like watching your videos. I hope you will be more successful and healthy always. I appreciate you, Yana. Devon. Devon, aka Devon Visions, changed his name again. He said, bro, that beard growing, man. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. Life's Magical Journey also said, hey, Goat Nation. And my sister, big sister, YouTube, Italian Porter, said, hey, bro, what's up, sis? Yeah, I wasn't here for the premiere. But shout outs to Lady Capricorn Terror and my sis for being in the live chat. Appreciate y'all all day, every day. Meantime, in between times, I appreciate each and every last one of y'all, whether y'all are here laid back, way back in the playback Maybach, or in the live chat, or you watching this in the near future, or distant future, or far future. I don't know. Anywho, one thing for certain, hope for this to be in the past, baby, because this is frustrating. So I'm doing it because, shoot, your boy got to. I mean, today is day 516. Ain't about to let no little cough stop my streak, baby. You know what I'm saying? I remember one time getting so sick, my throat closed up. And yes, that was years before the Rona. So it's not like I was sitting up there thinking, Oh no, it's the Rona. Yeah, people do get sick, people. Yeah, people still get sick. Regular sick. Anywho, well, all that being said, video playlist. Watch them all, alright? One love.